When people create images, people usually just picture the image and that's it. But there is one thing you could do that will make your images a million times more memorable, and that is add emotion. So for example, if you're picturing this dog, you might feel warm and fuzzy inside, right? Because the dog is adorable, it's cute. And so just that alone makes the picture so much more memorable. So seeing this dog, now if I just saw a dog and didn't feel anything, probably would forget it later on depending if it was some sort of information, right? Because it's like dog, done. But seeing this dog with the floppy ear and it looks so happy, just adding the extra emotion, just like, oh man, it's so cute, makes it so much more memorable. And then if you see this clown, right, you're like, whoa, you might be scared, you might have some fear. Adding the extra emotions would make it so much more memorable. So if you did have a clown, represent some sort of information, you're not going to be able to forget. You're like, oh wait, there was this clown in the bathroom and it totally scared me. It made it so much more memorable. Or if you see this goat, which, it probably makes you happy, but it's also funny because the face it's making, it making you laugh, that just adds more to it. And so when I think of goat now, I'm probably going to think of this specific goat because of the emotion I attach to it, right? I'm happy, I'm laughing. And so that's just one simple thing, one quick thing you could do to make your images that much more memorable. And it doesn't take, extra work. All you have to do is just, okay, how do I feel? Just let your emotions go when you're creating these images. You shouldn't really have to force an emotion. Like when you look at this goat, you're like, what do I feel? No, just know what's the first thing you feel when you see this goat. The first thing I saw was happy, and it was funny because its tongue and its little ears, though it's just adorable. And so it's going to be so much more memorable. And this is something you have to do when you're creating all your images for all the different types of information that you're learning. So you really are able to recall it months and years later. It's that feeling that you have, that emotion that you have to the image. You might not see it clearly, but that emotion you attach, that feeling, that's what you're really going to remember when you actually recall the image. And so that is a quick tip I have for you on this Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.